Okay, yeah, I ordered the Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. I'm so excited to try these, y'all. They're supposed to help with your like appetite and weight loss and a whole bunch of other stuff. We got the little pamphlet right here. It says appetite control and weight loss, lowers blood sugar levels, improves immune system. Yeah, other stuff. Y'all see what it say. Good taste, yummy smell, easy to take. So I only got one bottle. So I'm gonna just try this bottle and see how it works. People says give them like a boost of energy and, you know, controls their appetite really good. Like I've seen so many good reviews on this. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. And somebody that I know personally has been taking these too. So there was another reason why I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try these out. So I'm gonna take 2 right now. They say you could take up to like I think 6 a day, but I only got 1 bottle, so I won't be doing that. Yes, they take 1 to 2 vitamins up to 3 times daily. So yeah. Okay, I just took 1. I'm gonna take another. It's actually good. This too. Okay, I'll update y'all on those probably in like its own like separate video after I've been taking them for like a month. But I probably would, if I feel like they're working, I'm gonna end up buying another box before I run out.
The next day.
Okay, yeah, I forgot to show y'all what I got because I put it up so fast, but I'm about to clean my room up because it's a mess. So So it's 5:22, but I'm on the way to work early because it's like a storm coming through. It's like a level 4. It's supposed to be like tornadoes, possibly. Not possibly. They pretty much made it seem like it's coming. So I'm a bit nervous about that, but I pray to God I'm leaving it in His hands. But yeah, I'm going to work early so I can get there before the storm. I low-key feel like I'm gonna be safer at work because I have somewhere to go. Like, I live in an apartment and I live on the 2nd floor, so I just don't think they're safe. Because they was like, once there's a tornado warning, like, if you're in an apartment, it's safest to go downstairs to your neighbors. Like, who know they neighbors? Like, I'm not going down there. So yeah, I'm finna head to work, and I don't even know the emergency plan over there at that location because I work at 2 different locations. So I'm gonna ask them as soon as I get there so I can know. But 9 times out of 10, we probably just gonna go to like their bathroom or something like that. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so I am in the car. I just started my lunch break and it is cold as fuck and my coat is tore up. Don't mind it. But it's cold as fuck out here, y'all. Like, when I told y'all in my last haul video, my Shein haul, when I said it'll be feel good weather for a few days and then it'll be back cold as hell, then hot as fuck, I was not lying. Like, we was just in 70-degree weather, like mid 70s. And it's like 40-something degrees right now. It's been raining. Yesterday, it was thunderstorming and lightning, and we were under a tornado watch. Nothing happened, but, like, Jesus. This shit is so bipolar. It's so annoying. It's cold as hell. It's cold as hell. I got the heat on blast. I'm so happy I got this new car, though. It comes with the little seat warmers because I got the leather seats. So my booty feeling toasty, and I'm just warming up before I have to get back out the car to go warm my lunch up. But, whoa, child. Hey y'all, so I'm just getting home from work. I'm about to change my clothes first. And then I have to run an errand, and then I gotta stop at my mom's house. And I got her this card for her birthday. It was yesterday. And it say, let's not think of it as getting another year older. Our bodies are just installing another update before they shut down. And it got like, it moved. I don't know if y'all saw it. See? My mama got a really good sense of humor though, so I feel like she gonna laugh at this. It's funny to me. But yeah. Hey y'all, so I just want to come and what was I about to say? Oh, I want to come address the clip. Oh, my sister in this makeup. Anyways, I want to come address one of my previous clips. I did get a new car. I got a 2015 Ford Fusion, and I'm so excited, y'all. I love it. It's so cute. So I got that on Monday. So when I was doing my hair, that's what I was getting ready to go do. I was pretty much there for like a good little time. So yeah, I got my new car. It's a 2015 Ford Fusion, like I just said. It's so nice, y'all. I didn't even know that it had a sunroof until like the next day, when I was about to go to work, and I was just like, ooh. But yeah, you guys, so like I said, I enjoyed my little sunroof for that day only until it wanted to be raining again and tornado watches, and now it's like 40-something degrees outside when we was just in the mid-70s. But nothing happened, y'all. Like, nothing happened. It just stormed, but there wasn't no tornadoes, thank God, because I ain't had time for that. So yeah, I'm gonna insert a picture of it clearly. I probably already did at this point. But yeah, it's so nice, y'all. I really do like it. So y'all know my rental car, before they decided to total my car out, after I took it to the shop finally, the rental car they gave me was a Ford Fusion, but I think it was like, I don't know what year it was, but it was more updated. And y'all know how they got the cars where when you like stop, they cut off and then they cut back on. So it was like one of those, and then like the gear shift was different. It was like a little knob that you turn. I think that's about it. So yeah, I like it. I do have a car note now. At first I did it, but yeah, everything pretty much worked out the way it needed to. Like I said, I really do love my car, so I'm excited about that. But anyways, I just wanted to say that, y'all, because I know I didn't say it, so I just wanted to like officially let y'all know that I do have a car, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.